Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Codex in Terminal. First, open Terminal. On Mac, press Command and Space, then type Terminal and open it. On Linux, simply open Terminal. On Windows, you can use WSL or a terminal. If Codex is not installed, install it globally by running the npm install command. This will install Codex so you can use it from anywhere on your system. Next, log in and authenticate. Run Codex for the first time. A browser will open where you can log into your account. Once done, Codex stores the authentication locally. After that, go to your project folder in Terminal. Then run Codex. Inside Codex, you can give your first command. For example, type explain this project or create a login system in Python. Codex will analyze your files and either generate or edit code accordingly. Codex has 3 working modes, which are very important. In Suggest mode, which is the default, Codex only suggests changes, and you approve them before applying. This mode is best for beginners. In Auto Edit mode, Codex automatically edits files but asks before running commands. In Full Auto mode, Codex can edit files, run commands, and fix errors automatically, working like an AI developer. You can also run single commands without entering interactive mode. For instance, run Codex with exec followed by a command like fix error in app.js. Codex will complete the task and exit manually. Finally, use smart prompts to get the best results. You can ask Codex to fix login errors in auth.js, add API validation in your project, or refactor code for performance. Codex understands your full code base and works across all files. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.